All right, everybody, welcome back to San Luis Obispo Real Estate. This is Jay Bond Real Estate Group, brokered by eXp Realty. If you're looking for a home tour of a beautiful remodel in Grover Beach, you are in the right place. So if you've been exploring real estate in San Luis Obispo County, the Central Coast, hey, stay tuned. Always feel free to reach out with questions, comments. Happy to be a resource for you. Hit that thumbs up if you like what you see. Hit that bell if you want notifications, as well as subscribe if you want to stay tuned for new content. So here behind me, we are at 1149 Margarita Avenue in beautiful Grover Beach, California. Now, this is a very special property in the sense that the original construction is from 1970. However, this was a complete, almost tear down, so semi tear down and rebuild, meaning this home was tore down to the studs. Everything has been redone throughout the entirety of this property. New electrical panel, plumbing, landscaping, as you see, the AstroTurf. We brought in this river rock, new driveway, garage. Really everything has been done except for the roof because it was in beautiful condition. So not necessary. Now this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. The master has a 3 floors, beautiful shower that's been done in there. Now it's just roughly 1,600 square feet and almost a 7,000 square foot parcel with amazing hillside views. As we see, the home is single level, which is a great appeal really for any age group. You know, if a family wanted to buy this, they could live in this pretty much forever, you know, into their latter years as well because of the single level element. As you see, the finish, a very contemporary, cool, clean cut, I think very great for a beach community. Kind of that off-white, dark black trim, right? We did the fogged windows here on the garage door, matching the dark trim as well, just to have a lot of that uniformity. As we see, all new gutters, all new fencing all the way around, right? So we have, while we're here on this topic, one side yard here and another side yard, which we'll show as well. Completely new concrete poured all the way around, including the beautiful, beautiful back patio and backyard, which we'll show you here moving forward. Why don't we go inside? Let's check out the interior here. And this home is listed at $850,000. Make our way in. All right, guys, welcome home. 1149 Margarita Avenue. As you see, this is the entryway or the foyer, if you will. Everything has been retextured in here, literally tore down to the studs, as I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, complete remodel. Now, there's been a lot of thought placed into really everything here. You know, the goal was to accomplish open concept, really clean, sleek, cool lines to match the curb appeal, you know, into the interior. And as we see here, just a very grandiose kitchen. You know, a lot of storage, a lot of counter space, a spectacular place for hosting, whether it's, you know, football, whether you're barbecuing, whether it's summertime, holidays, whatever it may be. I think this home is really going to cater to just about all of those needs. So really just a great, great home for folks who like to entertain. Now, all of these cabinets, these were really methodically thought out, if you will. I'll use that word methodically. Just as far as placement here, dark hardware to match, as we see, right? Nice soft close cabinets, plenty of deep drawers in here, just for additional storage as well. For those who like to cook, host, plenty of uppers, as we call them, right? Upper cabinets. If you want to get a good look into those, I know a lot of folks at home like to see just the depth of the cabinets. Okay, here we are. Get a little glimpse into there as well. Okie doke. But beautiful job in here, right? We have this nice window here overlooking the sink. And this is stainless steel, but kind of a deep basin or farm style sink, if you will, which is real typical and common these days. And then we have, of course, our amazing views out into the backyard, as well as into the beautiful hillside there. Stainless steel appliances throughout. Again, everything brand spanking new. These are LG appliances, microwave, oven, stove, dishwasher, can recess lighting, and then just some beautiful light fixtures, as we see here over the breakfast bar. Matching that dark, you know, kind of cool theme of the house, which we wanted to really carry throughout. And then again, you know, we have plenty more open bar space if you want to put bar stools here, kids having breakfast, entertaining on the weekends, and you're not going to miss a beat from anything taking place in the living room, right? Again, a lot of can lighting throughout, recessed lighting, plenty of outlets, preparing hardwiring for TV, entertainment area. Just a really killer entertainer's paradise, in my opinion here. Nice, sleek fan up above. And believe it or not, we have no AC running. It's almost 80 degrees in February outside right now, and it's very cool in here. So it's maintaining very cool temperature. The ceiling fan is really accomplishing a lot for the home. Now, why don't we make our way, while we're here, let's go check out the guest bath. Off the hall here, thermostat, why I'm on the note here just to point out on the wall. And then as we see, beautiful finished bathroom, plenty of storage, nice tiled bath and shower. Running the same flooring throughout, just a lot of beautiful uniformity in the finishes here. That's the guest bath. Now, just off of that, we have our guest bedroom. Nice amount of space in here, nice closet space as we see. Nice decent sized window, get some natural light off of the side yard. And one thing I want to point out while we're here is there's also a pocket door. You shut these two so we can see between this guest bed and the guest bath. So relatively easy access to the restroom there. And down the hall, we've got guest bed number 2. And again, almost mirrored square footage versus guest bedroom number 1. Ample amount of closet space, as we see right here. And really just mirroring all the finishes of the rest of the home. Orientation of this is facing the street or the front of the house, so you're going to get a little bit more direct sunlight certain times of the day here from this bedroom, right? So we got a lot of natural light coming through here, but great views of the neighborhood as well. And then one thing to point out, again, a lot of thought went into the remodel here, just making sure there's tons of outlets. You know, across the room, I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets just in this room alone. So plenty of electricity access to for all of your gadgets and TVs, whatever you need in there. Now let's make our way down the hall. We're going to go into the master bedroom. And so this is a really cool feature. This was something that was another thoughtful addition, if you will, I think is the best way to articulate it. But a space for indoor laundry. Now there are plugins and everything for outdoor laundry, meaning there's laundry in the garage. So there's hookups in the garage for laundry, but there are also hookups in the master bedroom. So if you wanted indoor laundry, you have it here in the master, ready to go, as well as some storage cabinets that could be used for linen, right? So another thought that would be a nice little bonus addition for the master bedroom. And we'll go ahead and make our way into the room itself. Nice sized bedroom, runs a little deep in this direction. I would say that you could definitely fit a king bed in here, probably a cow king as well. Very good possibility. Sliding glass door, access to the back patio. And of course, when blinds are drawn, amazing views, beautiful sunshine day, and easy yard access right from your master bedroom. Let's see here, closet. Here is the closet space as well. And then we make our way into the master bath. So let me go in here and get our lights geared up for everybody. I'll let you take a poke around in there. Nice finished shower. You got your subway tiles in there, river rock, and really just matching the color scheme, the theme of the home. You know, adding a little bit of pop and dimension. Dual vanities, plenty of storage space in here. Why don't we make our way back through the house and let's go through the door in the living room and check out the backyard here. And again, just a great place. All right, so this is the back patio, and again, just to follow the theme of making everything new here, everything was dug out. This is all new concrete patio that's been poured. There was a certain amount of dirt that was backfilled in here just to spread out the yard, maximize the usable square footage here, if you will. And then of course, as we see the theme of pretty much all new fencing. Probably I'd say 3/4 of the fencing's all been redone. This side here was in great condition, so it didn't really need to be replaced. A lot of life on it left still, but a lot of patio space. If you wanted to install a pergola, maybe have an outdoor grill, put a hot tub, great entertaining space, this is definitely the location for it. We see the theme of turf running again through the backyard. If you've got dogs, hey, maybe you want to put in a little putt-putt for yourself, right? No one's going to argue with you doing that. Again, very drought resistant plants, river rock all the way around, and just a beautiful view of the hillside and the homes adjacent. right? You're gonna notice we have hose bibs on each side of these side yards. Clean out, 220 running here as well. A lot of things very well thought out, as we mentioned. And then we'll get a glimpse of this adjacent side yard that I had mentioned earlier in the video. Again, hose bib, clean out, access, and that is where your panel is, which is a new panel. We ran all new electrical in here on this side of the home there. Awesome, guys. Why don't we go check out the garage, right? Another killer space here at this property. Welcome to the beautiful finished garage space. Come on inside here. Okay. Well, as we see, we got some equipment behind us still. We have just finished painting and touching up in here, but beautifully finished garage. So we see brand new water heater, walls completely textured. We're seeing that theme of outlets riddled just throughout everywhere in here. And as I mentioned, washer dryer hookups, right? So we have washer dryer hookups in the garage as well as in the little closet room there in the master bedroom as well. Finished garage floor. Again, wanted to go with that dark look and feel just to match the theme of the rest of the home. All right, gang. So this is 1149 Margarita Avenue, Grover Beach. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you'd like to schedule a showing, please reach out to us. Happy to get you on the calendar. Stay tuned for more content being dropped. We have more videos coming up of home tours on the Central Coast in San Luis Obispo County, so stay tuned.